Question 6c. We have to give this expression here in simplest form. We have 20q cubed r to the power of 4 multiplied by negative 0.5 r cubed all to the power of 2. So let's look first at the brackets. We see straight away calling our attention here. The brackets, we don't need to do anything inside, but we have that power outside. So what we are doing is multiplying that expression by itself. So we could even, if we wanted, we could rewrite this as 20q cubed r to the 4, leave that there waiting, multiplied by, what would happen here? Well, if we are doing the square, it's because we are multiplying that expression times itself once. Whoops. Let's see if it's all good. So if it is a square, we have two sets of brackets multiplying each other. Exactly the same elements inside. So let's concentrate on that. I'll just copy the beginning of the expression for later here and leave it. But let's see what we have. So we have negative times negative will be positive. So don't even need to write the positive, but we can leave it there if we want. Then we have 0.5 times 0.5. Well, 0.5 we know is a half. We can use the calculator, but let's try to do the calc in our heads. Half times a half, or half of a half, is a quarter. So we could even write a quarter or 0.25, or use a calculator. And then the last thing we need to do is multiply the powers of r. So r cubed times r cubed, imagine r multiplied by r, we just have r to the power of 6. Done. So the square of negative 0.5 r cubed is a positive 0.25 r to the power of 6. What do we do now? Well, now we multiply these two expressions. Numbers first. 20 times 0.25. Can use a calculator, but we know that 0.25 is a quarter. A quarter of 20. We know half of 20 is 10. So a quarter of 20 has to be 5. Or any other way you want to do it. Now, let's see if we have a match for q's. Nothing. So just copy q cubed. Do we have a match for r's? Yes, we do. So r to the power of 4 multiplied by r to the power of 6 will give us a total of r to the power of 10. We just combine them together, add them together. Final answer, in simplest form, 5q cubed r to the power of 10.